A lot of people talk the talk, Dennis walks the walk. All you need to do is watch him work. And there are some lawyers that, if you knew they were trying a case or making an argument, other lawyers would go in and say, Dennis Drasco is going to make this argument. Or a judge might say to his or her law clerk, why don't you come in and watch a good lawyer work here? When you watch him, you know he knows what he's doing. You know it's not his first rodeo. You know he's been in the courtroom before. He knows how to handle himself. And he feels comfortable doing what he's doing. But that's because he sees the big picture, because he's prepared, because he understands what the outcome means to his client, but he also understands how important it is to function as a professional within our system. Dennis is never an adversary. Dennis works for the system while at the same time advocating on behalf of his client. He doesn't make the adversary, doesn't make the other lawyer an enemy. He tries the case, not the person. He tries the case, not the company. And in doing so, I think enhances our system, but at the same time is demonstrative of his perspective of saying, I'm doing this because I want to help not only my client, but I want to help the system of justice. Dennis has served as the president of the Association of the Federal Bar of New Jersey, recognized by his peers as taking a leadership position in the federal bar where he spends a great deal of time in practice. He's a member of the American College of Trial Lawyers, which is as good as it gets for trial lawyers. Dennis was elected to that by his peers, a very competitive circumstance. You have to try a significant number of cases, and you have to have the respect and the admiration of so many different people to get to that particular level. He's done that, and he's also, and I don't know that if you ask him what his most favorite role has ever been, but I suspect he might say, at least in the top three, was the chair of the litigation section of the American Bar Association. You don't get to that position in the American Bar Association, a competitive entity, without being very good at what you do and being able to work with other people. Dennis understands it's not about him, it's about the system in which he works, and I think that's critical to his success. I think he's a caring and compassionate, competent person. I don't know that I could sum up better what the qualities that I've seen him demonstrate over the 45 or so years that I've known him. All those qualities are important to being a person, but they're even more important to being a successful person, and they're clearly important to being an honoree of Rutgers Law School. They should be very proud of him, proud of what he's done as a graduate, and proud of what he's done in the system of justice, which he cares so much about. I think the award that he's getting from Rutgers is significant, and we know he'll carry that award with honor and dignity, and it will reflect well on his education here, and more so on what he's done with the education that he obtained while he was at Rutgers.